Snoring can disrupt your life and the lives of those around you. But what if I told you that stopping snoring naturally is possible without any medication? It all starts with understanding the root cause. Snoring is often caused by a combination of factors, including a narrow airway, excess weight, and poor sleep posture. Another simple hack is to sleep on your side instead of your back. You can use a body pillow or a towel to keep you in the correct position. Eating an apple before bedtime can help reduce snoring due to the fiber and antioxidants that promote throat relaxation. Also, avoid consuming heavy meals close to bedtime, as this can cause your airway to become congested. In addition to these techniques, consider incorporating relaxation exercises like deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation into your daily routine. This can help reduce stress and promote better sleep, both of which are crucial for snoring prevention. To get started, try incorporating one or two of these techniques into your daily routine and see how your body responds. For more advanced techniques, you can try incorporating a snoring mouthpiece or using a humidifier to keep the air moist. Results may take anywhere from a few days to a week, but with consistent effort, you can say goodbye to snoring and hello to better sleep. By implementing these DIY tips and making lifestyle changes, you can take control of your snoring and sleep better, naturally.